I'd have to agree with you wholeheartedly. I really would. Because, well, a lot of people don't understand the law. And I'm going to use my home state of Mississippi for an example. We have no duty to retreat, stand your ground laws, and the castle doctrine. But there's always going to be a but there. You cannot walk outside at 2 o'clock in the morning, somebody's breaking into your automobile, and point a gun at them and tell them to get on the ground. And if they don't, then you shoot and fatally wound them, or they shoot and fatally wound you, whichever. Hopefully you shoot and fatally wound them. But then you're going to be in a whole world of trouble, and you're going to wish like hell they would have shot you. Because then the district attorney and the attorney general's office is going to say, why didn't this guy just call the police and stay in the house? He was in no real danger. You wanted to kill somebody. That's what you wanted to do. Go arrest him. And they're going to put a warrant out for your arrest. They're going to come to your job, embarrass you, or they're going to come to your house, embarrass you in front of your family, take you to prison, because that's what's going to happen to you. You're going to go on trial, and the jury's going to side with the prosecutor, and your goose is cooked, and then you're going to be in prison, and you're going to fart, and then another inmate's going to go, smells like my size, and then your goose is definitely cooked at that point. So I have a dash cam in my vehicle, mainly for accidents, in case they do happen. Hopefully they don't. But you know, there's a bunch of knuckleheads out here that drive on the road. I have cameras on my house, and a lot of people have told me I'm paranoid because of that. No, that's for my protection. That's not for yours. I could give two shits about your protection. I put those cameras on my house to protect me in a court of law. In case somebody decides they want to kick in my door, I have it recorded. Or I have it recorded you covering up the camera, and then people hear in a courtroom you kicking in the door, and then they hear bang, and then they hear a thud, and that's your ass falling to the ground dead. That's justifiable homicide in the state of Mississippi, 110% all day, every day, because you kicked in my freaking door at 2 o'clock in the morning. But if I'm sitting in my vehicle and I have a way to leave the area and get away from you, I can't just pull out my Glock and go bang. That is murder. If nobody's in front of me or behind me, I'm going to find a way to get away. You can call me whatever you want. What you're not going to call me is late for dinner, because I'm not going to jail. Learn your law and study it.